everyone and welcome to Era Tutorials. This is Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 6 subject English unit 3 3.1 It Can Be Done English workshop. Already this poem I have explained in my previous video. You can see the link in description box. So if you remain to watch that video, plus go through that video and after that only go for English workshop. Let us start with question answers. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Who misses all the funs? The man who says it can't be done misses all the funs. That means in your life, if you will say that this thing is impossible for me or it can't be done, then in that case you are going to miss the opportunities in your life. Next, what does the title of the poem say? The title of the poem says that we can do anything we wish to. That means whatever we want to do, we can do it. We have that caliber. C question. What does the man who misses all the fun do? The man who misses all the fun remains unfriendly and distant, not getting involved in anything. He greets every fresh project with criticism and negative comments. That means the person who misses all the fun means what they are doing, they are not friendly with anyone, they don't want to learn anything, and they always try to find out fault within the things, and they develop their negative attitude. D. Why does he misses all the fun? He misses all the fun because he remains unfriendly and distant and not getting involved in anything. What would he do if he had the power to do it? If he had the power, he would even wipe out the history of the human race. Now, wipe out history of the human race means what? In past, man have made progressive things, but we can do more, much more better than it. So we can change the history also. Means we can create the history. What examples of the man's progress have been given in the poem? The invention of the radio, motor car, electricity, telegraph, telephones are example of man's progress. What should human beings do in order to make progress? Human beings should discover and invent more things which are useful to us. We should find ways by which we can live comfortably and in harmony with nature. We should always try to do things which will improve our lives without harming anybody. We should find ways in which we can live a long, happy, and healthy life. So, to make progress, we have to do all these things. Let us see question number 2. Form a groups and list few articles of everyday use. Discuss how they can be improved. For example, articles like toothbrush, school bag, refrigerator, cycle, scooter, TV, washing machine, etc. Now, how they can be improved? Now you can see toothbrush are present in with the electricity also, which directly did movement in your mouth. Then school bag can be, how school bag can be improved? By using good quality material, by using good quality zips. Okay. Refrigerator, now you can see so many types of refrigerators are there and new technologies are there. The same thing is in the case of cycle, scooter, TV, washing machine. These things are updated with the time and according to the use of the people, requirement, demand of the people. Next question, form pairs and discuss and prepare the list of the things which can be and will be done in future. Now spot the modal verbs in your answers. Okay, so here you can see man will go to the moon for a day. Now here modal verb means what? It is modal auxiliary and they are also known as the helping verb. Sometime to make sentence more meaningful we are using these verbs. For example, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, used to, etc. Which shows whether something is possible, allowed, necessary, etc. and they are known as modal auxiliaries or modal verbs or helping verbs. We will look at their examples later on. So here whatever sentences are given, spot the modal verbs. So here what you have to do, you have to spot, that means you have to figure out. So here you can say man will go to the moon. So will is helping verb. We will have a medicine that gets rid of COVID-19. So will is example of the modal verb. There could be a medicine that makes time travel. Could is example of the modal verb. Now complete the following sentence using your ideas. That means you have to make your sentence your own using your ideas. I can swim if I try. They can run fast if they practice. We can we can made development in the we can make development in the society. Like that you can make your own sentences. Now last is project. It is optional. You can read it, and if you want to do it, you can follow the procedure and you can do it. So that is all about the English workshop of this poem. I hope that everyone might have understood it. If you have any problem, do write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Thank you.